you doing, David?
Fixing the Mustang again.
Fixing the Mustang? What happened this time, David?
Her alternator went out on her way to work. So, how's it going? Well, at least it was the alternator, not the wiring again, so that's pretty good.
And fun fact, Ford Taurus, where'd it go? Ford Taurus alternators.
Boys want the same. Sweet.
Well, good, yeah. I just dropped that bolt that you set on the battery. That's where my hand goes.
I see it on the ground, so we're good. I'm on. I can be better, won't you? Starting to rain. About 10. The ratchet.
So we're on the side of the road here.
Well, not really. We're in a Spinks Park.
Taylor's word. That's on the side of the road. Look, the road's right there. And right there. And it is starting to rain.
So I'm trying to knock this shit out before I get soaked.
Better hurry.
Oh yeah, I told you her bumper. Can someone explain it? This is, I don't, she done wrecked it again or somebody hit it.
Again?
Yeah, look, how do you do this? Like, how do you cut your bumper like this?
I don't know, David.
That confused me. But yeah, she done wrecked it again. Front is damaged now. Again. I know, it's like a wedge this thing. Out. I'm gonna bring a flathead screwdriver. Come on.
There it comes. Alright, and then another thing to do is knock that pin that direction, like that. Before you put the new one in, it'll make it easier to set it down in there. Come on, Billy.
Dad, what the freaking...
What? The plugs are on the opposite side. We're aware of that.
Yeah. You got the harness on there.
Yeah, take it off. It's a 10. Where's your 10 go? Yeah.
You're not.
That's on the new Kia Stingers.
What?
There's one of the new Kia Stingers over there just pulled in. I like the placement of that wrench.
Yeah. So, all of a sudden when it hits it, we're fine.
Pick it up.
Damn it.
Where's the other bolt? It's on the ground?
Yeah.
No, we're losing focus. Come on, there we go.
Me when I'm driving.
We said focus, not racist.
You got me there. How you gonna walk in and buy food without buying nothing? I left all my cash at the house. 14, right? Yeah, it should be right. No, 13. Am I turning around? Nope. And now. 15. That's probably one of the easiest alternators to put on though.
That's not too bad.
But it's good.
Got it tight? Here comes the culprit now.
I didn't do it.
Oh. Got it tight?
Yep.
Ready to put the belt on?
I'll take it to the van.
Yep.
I gotta set you down. Hold on.
Right. It ain't all
Just let me know when you're free, I'll leave so I can get my stuff out of the van.
We're about done now.
I say you were crooked as hell and not even close to coming up.
Right. Just let
Here,
me know.
Jesse.
Hold the camera.
Try it again. Come on now, slowpoke.
Would you shut the hell up?
There you go. That's it, Captain. She's on there. All right, now will it start? Put the terminal on there. Here.
I gotta find the battery back. I tighten that down so it's I'm gonna look at this.
I tighten the terminal now. That's it, folks. She's charging. Get our tools. Find our battery post now from where I had to loosen it yesterday.
11. 12. You got it?
Keep up. Alright, I just shoved that on there.
Can't work my hands today.
Alright. There you go, folks. 10-minute alternator replacement. We're ready to go. To Tractor Supply. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later. Tell them bye, Jesse.
Oh, yeah. See you guys.
All right.